Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the essentials: model, charge, and network. First, confirm your Huawei model and MIUI version so you pick the correct recovery path. Next, make sure the device is at least 30% charged and online. This avoids interruptions. If you can still access any account or storage, back up with HiSuite or Huawei Cloud now, because some fixes reset data. Once done, you'll determine whether to use Find My Phone, MIUI Recovery, or a PC-based tool. You'll now choose the method based on account access and lock type. If Find My Phone is linked, sign into Cloud. Huawei. Calm and attempt remote unlock or password reset. This preserves data. If not, power off, then press power and volume up to enter MIUI Recovery and select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This clears the lock but erases user data. Alternatively, connect to HiSuite on a trusted PC and run System Recovery to reinstall software without losing some data. Follow on-screen prompts carefully. You're almost done. After recovery or reset, reboot and sign in with the original Huawei ID to satisfy factory reset protection. This is why you confirmed account details. Make sure system updates complete so security and unlock flows work. If you encounter IMEI, authentication, or persistent lock errors, stop and contact Huawei support or an authorized service center. Hardware level or carrier blocks require official tools. One key tip: keep your Huawei ID and backup schedule current to avoid repetition of this process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.